this takes you to a website where you can see the Earth. This is the azimuthal equidistant map. Now you can pick different maps. I mean, you can use the Atlantis map, which depicts the Earth like this. You can use this one right here. The conic equidistant map looks like that. This is the equirectangular. There we go. This one. This one is our standard globe model where you can spin it around and look at it. And what you're seeing here depicted on this globe in real time, apparently, is data showing temperature and ocean currents. Now you can change it to view air currents if you want to. This shows how air currents are working right now around the world. And it's rather interesting to really sit here and play around with this thing, looking at the different directions the wind currents are taking. Look at these swirly movements here. It's pretty cool. And seeing temperatures, and you can do it at various heights and stuff like that. But what I found even more interesting than looking at it in the globe model was to look at it in the flat earther model, which is the azimuthal equidistant map. That's this right here. Looks pretty wild when you look at it that way, especially when you look at the ocean currents and the let's see, let me overlay the waves. And what was it that I had before? Yeah, this is showing the currents as well as the temperature. And if you sit here and spend time playing around with this website, I mean, it's a pretty cool website. And again, this is the logo on the UN flag. The various currents and temperatures and everything make a lot of sense on the flat Earth model, where these hot temperatures right here was essentially the equatorial region on the globe model. This is where the sun and moon would be going around, causing those areas to be warm and everything. But everything seems to just, I don't know, it just seems to flow a lot neater and seem to make a lot more sense on this map than on all the other ones. Maybe it's just me, but go ahead and spend some time on that website and click on that link again. That was at the bottom of the page right here. Observe temperature, wind, and wave currents on the Earth. And this is the main menu for that site right there, where you can change the different modes to be air or ocean, temperatures and stuff, and altitudes and stuff. You can see how the winds are moving. Again, I mean, look at that. And you can pick the different types of maps you want to use. I don't know. It just seems to make a whole lot more sense to me on this map than on the globe or on any of the other ones, as far as how the winds and the waves and the temperatures are going. Anyway, here's something to check out there.